Hello everyone, this is JSJ and I'd like to welcome you to this brand new video. Today I'm going to present to you, it's called the HOTO PixelDrive Cordless Screwdriver. Some will say, oh, but you're just a sellout, you love everything you present. And others will say to themselves, he's perhaps a bit of a geek. Because yes, the brand offers us a smart cordless electric screwdriver. DIY oriented, so do it yourself, for electronics and furniture assembly with a premium design and digital functions for greater precision. The promise: a precision electric screwdriver with key features like digital torque control to prevent stripping screws, intelligent dual speed with a single button to manage everything, an LED screen for enhanced precision and comfort, and above all, a compact design with easy storage and a premium look. You're going to see this product is truly incredible. Make sure to stay until the very end, and by then you might, like me, say, wow, it's quite cool. Because seeing products in photos is good, but seeing them in video is much better. So unlock your potential and discover all our tech or smartphone tips. And let's discover a little bit of what's inside the box. We find a magnificent, visually very clean car kit, a USB to USB Type-C cable. And then you'll notice that it opens in 3 parts, because inside we find the tips, many tips, the device itself, and everything is super well organized. Let's talk a little bit about the tips. Here we have 30 included bits neatly arranged in a stylish 3-part cylindrical case. It's neat, compact, and most importantly, incredibly convenient to transport. Now, let's discuss the device itself. The dimensions are 38 by 38 by 198 millimeters. The weight is approximately 317 grams. Not bad and very compact. At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C port for charging. At the top, the magnetic head mount, so you can attach the appropriate tip. Regarding adjustment and operation, you'll find a dial here that automatically defaults to the off position. Then, as you've seen, you can set it from 1 to 6. And most importantly, once we've put this in, as soon as you activate the screwdriver, there will be an LCD screen underneath with the information. But we'll see that later, because up top you'll have noticed we also have a 360-degree circular LED light. This provides uniform, shadow-free illumination, which is very practical in real-world conditions. Let's go back a bit to the torque and especially the precision. So we have 6 torque levels. Setting 1 is 0.5 Newton meters, setting 2, 1 Newton meter, setting 3, 2 Newton meters, setting 4, 3 Newton meters, setting 5, 4 Newton meter, and finally, setting 6 is 6 Newton meters. Just a reminder, the Newton meter, Nm, is the tightening force of the screwdriver. The higher the number, the tighter it will fasten. We also have a manual torque, meaning if you don't power on the device or activate it, it's 8 Newton meters for when more force is needed. So you can go from fragile electronic assembly to IKEA-type furniture and light DIY projects. Let's get back to our intelligent screen. The screen displays the battery level as soon as you activate the screwdriver. It also indicates the selected torque, and most importantly, the huge advantage is that you know exactly what you're doing. It's not just a bunch of LEDs. As for the buttons, there are also 2 buttons, one for screwing in and one for unscrewing naturally. But that's not all there is. You also get 2 speeds activated by a light press or a strong press on the very same button. If you press the button lightly, you get 80 RPM for precision. If you press hard, it goes up to 200 RPM. So, light pressure means slow and strong pressure means fast. Alright, for an example, since my small U-green case had a screw that was a bit difficult, let's take a kettle which has some really unusual screw heads. The first thing we notice is that the heads are actually in the kit. Above all, we get them in 2 versions depending on whether there's plastic or not if we need to go deeper. What we realize is that once we've found the correct bit and placed it onto our screwdriver, we can unscrew with ease, and most importantly, we have 2 different speeds, then we screw it back in. And then the tightening force becomes really important depending on the device, and that prevents stripping the screws. For the battery, it's a 2000 milliampere unit, again USB-C charging with a recharge time of about 3 hours. So this product is highly recommended. For example, for furniture assembly, it works great, and you can tighten or loosen very firmly PC assembly, electronic repair, and especially home DIY. Product highlights: I would have loved the super practical case. With the 30 included tips, you get all the models, the premium design of the entire set, the digital display, especially since that's quite uncommon at this price point. Most importantly, the precision of the torque and the speeds. The 360-degree LED light, which helps illuminate those screws we always have a bit of trouble trying to locate, and USB Type-C charging, that's certainly a bit of the future, and it's much easier. As for the downsides, well, you can only go up to 6 or 8 Newton meters by hand. You'll soon realize that 8 Newton meters is actually quite a lot. This means if you genuinely need more power than that, it's best to start with a proper, larger screwdriver and then use this one to finish up for both screwing and unscrewing. And finally, it doesn't operate as a drill. That's a shame. I would have liked some small bits like that. It can come in handy sometimes. I know you're thinking right now, how much for the screwdriver in the display case? All right, first off, the product is guaranteed for 1 year. If you take the price in dollars, the screwdriver costs $79, that is $99. If you look at the euro price, depending on your region, 84.95 euros. I'll put the link directly in the description, as well as the promo codes. And if, like me, you think this screwdriver is very aesthetically pleasing, very premium, very well thought out, and of very high quality, then go directly to their website. They have a lot of products that will certainly make you want them, just like me, whether you're a tech enthusiast or not. Go, check the link directly, and don't hesitate to comment what your favorite HOTO brand product is. Is it like me, this screwdriver, or rather, did you see another product that might appeal to you? So since all reactions are welcome, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like my video, thumbs down. And as your mom would say, you never miss a trick. So don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click my logo there. Don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification for my next video, as I have many really cool products that will be arriving soon. Thank you for stopping by. It was a pleasure. I wish you all a good day. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your loved ones. Stay positive, and above all, stay open. Me, I totally love you. We'll meet again in a few days. Bye-bye.